Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn Standard 8 Mathematics. In this today's video, we will learn Practice Set 6.3 question number 2. In question number 2, we have to do the simplify of the given expressions. So what is meant by simplify? Let's see the meaning. To make less complicated, clearer or easier. Match to reduce to a simpler form by cancellation of common factors, regrouping of terms in the same variable, etc. Simplify is nothing but children to make more simple. Here is one example. We do simplify. 4p plus 6p plus 2. 4p, 6p both are like terms. So we can add children. So what we get? 10p plus 2. 2 we can't add because with the 2p is not there children. So this is the simpler form of given expression. Now let's begin question number 2, simplify. Question number 1. X plus y the whole bracket raised to cube minus x minus y the whole bracket raised to cube. Here children, this whole bracket you consider as a and this whole bracket we have to consider as a b. Means a cube, b cube. So here which formula we will use children? A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Here children, we use this formula to simplify this expression. Here in the simplification formula is not necessary children. If you want you can write, otherwise formula is not required to simplify. Okay children, the first step is what children? A minus b. So x plus y minus x minus y. So first step children we write, therefore x plus y whole bracket raised to cube minus x minus y the whole bracket raised to cube equal to a minus b. This whole bracket is a and this whole bracket is b. So what we take here children? X plus y minus x minus y. Okay children, close the bracket. Now what is the children? A square. So what we take? This whole bracket square. Here I am writing in the next step children. X plus y the whole bracket raised to square plus a into b. These two brackets we take in the multiplication. X plus y, x minus y. The two brackets mean children here multiplication. Okay. Now what is the here children sign? Plus. So what we take? B square. B square means x minus y whole bracket square. Close the bracket children. Okay. Now equal to, we solve this bracket children. What we get? Open the brackets. X plus y minus x minus minus plus y. Put one bracket children. Okay. Now come to the next bracket. Here children, x plus y the whole bracket square means which formula we will use children here? A plus b the whole square formula. You have learned children in your lower standards. What is the formula expansion children? A plus b the whole square formula. What is the answer children? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now by using this formula we expand this bracket children. So what we get here? X square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay children. Now these two brackets we have to multiply. X into x, what we get? X square. X into y minus xy. X into x, x square. X into y minus xy. Now children, y into x. So what we get here? X, y. Now plus minus minus y into y, y square. Now again children, here we have to use the formula. Here which formula we will use? A minus B the whole square formula. Same children, expansion is same, only the sign will change. So here by seeing this only we will write children here plus x square minus 2xy plus y square, close the bracket. Now here children we have to eliminate some terms. Okay. Plus x minus x get cancelled children. Okay. Now next here y square get cancelled. Minus xy plus xy get cancelled. Plus 2xy minus 2xy get cancelled children. Okay. Now anything we can eliminate here? No. So here x plus, here what is remaining children? Y. So what we get? 2y. Now x square plus x square plus x square. What we get children here? 3x square. Now what is remain here? Anything else children? Here plus y square. Now we have to multiply children. 2y into 3x square plus 2y into y square. So what we get children here? 2 3s are 6 x square y plus 2y cube. This is the answer children. Question number 2. 3a plus 5b whole bracket raised to cube minus 3a minus 5b whole bracket raised to cube. Here children we use the formula a cube minus b cube. By using that formula we expand children, and in the simplification there is no need to write formula. Equal to 3a plus 5b minus 3a minus 5b. Here children a minus b. Okay, that formula we have used here. 3a plus 5b whole bracket raised to square plus 3a plus 5b. 3a minus 5b plus 3a minus 5b whole bracket raised to square. The second bracket children, a square plus a into b plus b square. Now open the brackets. 3a plus 5b minus 3a plus 5b, and here in the second bracket children 9a square plus 30ab plus 25b square. We have expanded children by using the formula a plus b the whole square formula. Now these two brackets we have to multiply. We get here children 9a square minus 15ab plus 15ab minus 25b square plus 9a square minus 30ab plus 25b square. Two brackets we have multiplied, and children the last bracket again we use the formula a minus b the whole square and we expand. Now children we have to eliminate some terms. Okay, after that we get answer equal to 10b. Open the bracket 27a square plus 25b square. Now here we have to multiply children. Equal to 270a square b plus 250b square. Okay children, this way we have to simplify this expression. It's a little difficult but you have to do practice children. Now question number 3. A plus b the whole bracket raised to cube minus a cube minus b cube. Here children a plus b the whole bracket raised to cube formula is there. So same children we expand that formula. Equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube minus a cube minus b cube. Okay children, just we have to expand the formula. Now do the cancellation. Now what remains here? 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the answer children. Question number 4. P cube minus p plus 1 the whole bracket raised to cube. Here children, p plus 1 the whole bracket raised to cube we expand by using the formula children. Which formula we will use here? A plus b the whole bracket raised to cube equal to p minus open bracket p plus 1 close the bracket in another bracket children p square plus p into p plus 1 plus p plus 1 the whole bracket raised to square. Here children, now in the next step we remove the brackets equal to p minus 1. In the next bracket p square plus p into p square, p into 1 we get p, and in the next bracket children we have to expand in the formula a plus b the whole square formula. Here we get p square plus 2p plus 1. Now do the cancellation which you can eliminate equal to minus 1 open bracket 3p square plus 3p plus 1. Now we have to multiply by 1 children. Minus 3p square minus 3p minus 1. Question number 5. Practice yourself children. Practice set 6.4 as omitted.